Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning numbers using a Montessori material called short bead stairs. This material helps children understand numbers from 1 to 10 by counting with real objects. For today's activity, we need short bead stairs, beads from number 1 till 10. The aim of this activity to help the child understand numbers from 1 to 10 through hands-on counting. Let's start our activity. As you can see, there are different color of beads. Each bead shows a different number. Let's start with the shortest one. This is 1, 1, 2. This is 2. 1, 2, 3. This is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 10. Now look at these. The beads are making steps from small to big. This is why we call it a stairs, bead stairs. Now let's count together from 1 to 10. 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Repetition of the counting helps the child feel confident and they can memorize these easily. And whenever you teach, whenever you explain this concept to anyone, keep in mind, in short bead stairs activity, 1 is always red, 2 green, 3 pink, 4 yellow, 5 light blue, 6 purple, 7 white, 8 brown, 9 dark blue, and the 10 is golden. While performing the activity, always make sure do not rush the child, do not introduce addition at this point, do not test the child, and do not correct them harshly. Why short bead stairs is important? The short bead stair make numbers concrete, strengthen number sense, prepare the child for teen numbers and the concept of 10. Montessori math is taught step by step. I have already shared videos on number rods, counters and cards, and the spindle box. All the related links are given in the description box to help you follow the correct Montessori sequence. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more Montessori videos.